Castle Art Supplies Watercolors Paint Set. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. 24 vibrant colors. Quality paint that is easy and convenient to mix with great results. This set makes it super easy to enjoy watercolors. Whether you're new to art, want to start over or believe you can do better, you can only be true to your vision with great art materials. Vibrant colors, smooth application, and never chalky. Use these premium watercolor paints right out of the tube or dilute with water. 24-piece 12 ml watercolor paints. Containing Chinese white, lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, yellow ochre, coral, cadmium orange, grenadine, vermilion, scarlet, alizarin crimson, Prussian blue, cobalt blue, ultramarine, cerulean blue, emerald green, sap green, viridian, Ker's green, violet lake, burnt sienna, burnt umber, raw umber, Payne's gray, ivory black. 24 artist quality colors. Curated by in-house artists to inspire confidence in beginners and win the approval of experienced artists, this set of essential, highly pigmented colors are arranged in easy-to-pick color families in a double row of resealable tubes. Paint is water-soluble. Creamy textured color you can apply direct from the tube or arrange on a palette, then dip the brush in water to spread, blend and layer the super translucent pigments. Includes a 5-part tutorial. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.